We're desperate.
Here goes nothing. Whoa! Loving it. Hit the middle first, just get warmed up. Not too good. Famous last words. Some of it's going to be really thick.
See, this is normally, you know, this isn't anything. The good stuff is way up there. That's normally filled with water. Just filled.
Nothing exciting.
This is like nothing. Well, we might have one mud hole. Maybe. Is there anything even in it? No, she's dry. Yeah, she's dry, lads. I don't know what to say. I thought it'd be a lot better. It's been dry, man. Like really dry. You want to go that way? Happening, eh?
No. Well, the only stuff that has some was back where we were before.
Yeah, right up that one side.
But there may be a few, I don't know.
Yeah. We'll find something. We're desperate.
Yeah, that Yoshi is thundering now.
Right?
So that Yoshi exhaust is thundering.
Oh, his?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. You going, Donnie?
Well, we got it. Might as well. No problem.
Oh, why did he slow down? What happened? Okay, so do you know when you're going along Switzerville?
Yeah.
going along Switzerville, and if you're coming from the park, going back to Simmons Road.
Yes.
On the right-hand side, there's a big, huge farmer's field with a right-of-way road. That road takes you down through a huge valley in some awesome forested area. Have you been back in there?
There's the one that comes beside the 401 on this side of it. Is that the one you're talking of?
No.
Then no.
Okay. But it's quite obvious we ain't hitting dick all for mud.
Like, we know the one stuff back there is there's some thick. Like, it's thick.
Oh, back in those trails?
Where we were before, yeah, like
yeah.
the bad spot on the left.
Yeah, let's go in there.
We'll hit that.
Yeah,
but do you want to? Yeah. Do you just want to just take a look down there? I don't know. I haven't been.
Well, yeah, let's go down there because
and then turn right. No, but then go straight and then turn right. That's what I want to see.
Straight and turn right. Okay.
Like I just maybe it's all dried up.
Remember when we came here in the springtime? How bad it was?
Oh, I know. Like.
And there's nothing. We were like, fuck that. We're not going in there.
Yeah. No, that's too much.
Now we're begging for it. Hey.
Whoa! Whoa! That's thick right there.
How did I come all the way?
Yeah, not too much water here. A little mud in it. Oh yeah. It's got some. I bet you there's a deep spot down there, but. Oh yeah, I'm not. Better than nothing. We'll find out. I don't think it's that deep, but. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, right there, hard bottom.
But yeah, probably a little depth.
I thought you were going to go along the 401.
Well, this is the one I was talking about. It. Yeah, that's not that deep. Look at the ruts.
Yeah, nothing here. Nothing to see here.
Oh, fucking hung up, boys.
Down tongue. All right, some excitement. Woo!
I'm hung up on
You know what you need? Arched A-arms.
gotta hit her with a little pepper.
I think you need some help.
Oh yeah, I'm high centered, big time.
Are you?
There's a little, yeah.
Okay, we'll just give her the juice a little bit. See if we can't,
There we go.
Nothing to see here, just a little high center.
Okay, we'll just give her the juice a little bit. Yeah, if we can get the back up, maybe. Same scenario. Yeah. it's so deep. The rut.
Framing on here. So we just have to lift it just a little bit. Just out of the gas, eh?
Done. Feather the gas on and off so you don't heat up your belt. Atta boy. Hold on. Okay. You know what I'm gonna do? Fucking smash it.
Here we go.
There, I cleared it out for you. Yeah, I think if you got enough speed, you might be all right, but. There you go.
Pan Am is gonna smash it.
Well, yeah, going slow is not the option. Nice. Yeah, I cleared it out for you.
Yeah, you did. Well, lads, we want mud. I didn't come here to go around. I know that much. Whoa, shit! Yeah, that was a dead stop.
The entry was good. Hey, isn't that deja vu all over?
Yep.